Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk about spicing up your Express template through the use of AI. Here we have one of the typical Express templates that we've probably seen a million times for college basketball. But what I want to do is I want to take this college basketball piece and turn it into a piece for Earth Day. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of AI here and some good old Express tweaks and turn this poster into something completely different. The first thing that I want to do is to go in and I want to replace this basketball up here with an earth. So I'm going to go over to Media and I'm going to search for the earth. I have a nice photo here, so I'm going to select that, click on it, and remove the background. I'm then going to resize this to match the size of the basketball. Once I have the sizing correct, I can move it out of the way for a moment. I'm then going to select the basketball player, go to Remove Object, and it gives me a warning that it's going to restore the background. That's okay, I can remove it again later. I'm going to draw over the basketball. Make sure to fill that in, and then select Remove. I now have some options where the basketball is removed. I don't like how the hands look in any of my options, and I can always select Generate More. I like this option here, so I'm going to say Keep. Once I'm finished, I'll select Close, and then Remove Background. Next up, I'm going to go back to my planet. I'm going to go to Effects, select Grayscale as well, and then move that into position. Now we can see it's going in front of the fingers, but if we come over here to layers and drag it back, we should be able to make it look like the basketball has been replaced by a planet. Now that I see this, maybe I won't go with the grayscale. I can always change back to none, so the earth will stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going to do a few quick basic edits to turn this into an Earth Day ad. Now with a little bit of AI and some tweaks here in Express, we have something that you could put out and completely change the meaning of through the use of AI. That's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.